Hello again and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about this device. What this is a dental flosser. It is a battery operated dental flosser. You fill it up with water here and you open it here, and then there's a little pipe in here with a motor inside here with a piston. And then how it used to work is it used to be like electronic control. You can choose between one or two type of pulses. One is a quick pulse, one is a slow pulse, and the charge point was over here in the front panel. But the problem was with this thing. I don't know if you agree with me. You see this little device. It was a 5-volt power supply. Looks like a cell phone charger, and then you plug it in here, and then you charge the unit. Now, according to me, this is not a low voltage type of charging plug. It confuses you. This is a normal, what you get with the televisions and radios and stuff. This is a 2-point plug extension with a, let's just say quickly here, this point here. See, this is a 2-point, but it looks almost of the same type. But you get one unit. I bought one unit that works with this thing. It was one of these teasers, and then it comes in there. Let me just shut up that dog quickly. Okay, as I said, there was a now how you used to charge this taser. It is that the plug, same thing as it goes in there and you charge it on 220 volts. But now I found this thing and it comes with the same plug. Now it is confusing. Now this is low voltage. Now what I did, I forgot this one had like a charger, a low voltage. Then I go and plug 220 volt. I use this thing, plug it in there, and then just one heavy smoke and flame coming out of here. And then I blew the whole electronic PCB that's in the bottom here. And then what I did is I went and put in because the switches is as an input on electronic, so that it is not working anymore. So I had to put in a micro switch, something like when you hold it for your thumb. The small thing doesn't work so like the water inside. You also after a while you tend to damage it. Now let me just show you how this go. So now this thing can plug out. When you have more than one person in the house that use this device, this is a color code. One is blue, one is pink. Then you have your own one to put in your mouth. Then you just go and plug in your own one. Now let me just open this thing. Make a big stream. I'm going to press here and somehow pump the water inside this little bottle. It is a nice thing, and then it removes all the food and plaque, some between your teeth, the same as a dental floss. It works quite nice. And then in the meantime, the batteries went bad. It took 2 of these units. It's like a nickel metal hydrates. Now they come like they connected in series, and then it was inside here, just lying inside here. Now then I decided I'm going to put in a lithium, the normal lithium. There's 1850 lithiums, that big lithium batteries. It's 3.7 volt compared to 2.2 volt, but this metal hydrate's 1.2 volt. But then the output is too high. Then it works so nice, it actually your gums start bleeding. Then I put a diode in here just to get rid of 0.5 volts, just to lower the voltage a little bit, but it's still a bit high. So my wife complained about the thing, it still hurt her. So I'm gonna put another diode in here just to lower the voltage a little bit more, not for the thing so vicious. I can't open here because I glue everything here, so I can't open anything here at the moment. And another thing, how to charge it now, I put two screws here. So, I'll just melt a positive negative, then I just put a you put a crocodile clip and you just clip it like this, and then you charge a 4.2 volt as you charge a lithium battery. So this is what I actually intend to do with this thing now, a little bit, but just to show you how to modify something. If it irritates you or something happens with it, you can make it work. I see there's a little opening there. I'll just have to close it, otherwise it's gonna rust there. A very nice device. He said the manufacturer's a brand named Dental Mate. I saw one on the advertising as a dental pick or something. It's a German made, but it's 4 times more expensive than this one. So I said this is actually a nice thing to have in the house. You can just it works quite nice. Just say you open it here, and there's your putting your water in here, and there's a little pipe that take the water out to the bottom. Then the battery is inside here, and there's my let's just take the water out. It's a nice switch, nice to hold it and modify it. And now this is actually better than this type of thing. This one you press and it goes on for half a minute until the thing is empty, but then you have to keep it in your mouth and the water's all over the place. This one is controllable. You can control it with your hand as you want it. Works nice. You just have to slide it in here. Okay, you can see here I modified a little bit another diode in here, and somewhere a 1 ohm resistor just to give a little bit more oomph, because you give it get now a drop from 0.5, and maybe 0.5 is a little too much, but it's fine now. It works all right now. Let me just get some water here. You can see it's a little bit slower now. You can put maybe another micro switch over here if whoever you want, number 1 setting, 2 setting, and you just short out this thing, and then it goes faster. But okay, let's see if everybody's happy with this setting, and then we're just gonna put some hot glue over here, then I'm finished. And okay, this is something different, and I hope you found it interesting. If you maybe you see this thing in the shop, you know what it's all about, but it works nice. I say it works quite well. And there's a way to charge something if you don't have the original charge port anymore. And be careful if you see something with this type of connection. It looks almost like this, the bigger brother. Make sure it is 220 volt or 5 volt, because this can damage your equipment. Okay, till next time. Cheers.